Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another sneaky peek for my Creative Times 132nd release. Today we are using the 3-inch Tulip Dies, and it is a card. Love this set. I'm also using the Springtime paper pack, and those are some of the colors that I'm using. And I'm also using that multicolor color that's at the top. And then from her watering cans, stamp and dies, I am using the Just a Note from the stamp set along with the coordinating die set. And then next up, I will be using the Everyday Word dies, and from that set I am only using thanks, hi, and hello without the background pieces. Love that set. And then I also use the small flower dies, which are from previous releases. I'm only using 2 of those from there, along with the foliage dies. And then I'm also using this 3x3 fancy envelope die. One of my favorites, and yes, I did turn it into a box. Not quite sure how I'm going to complete the box, whether it's with a bow or a clothespin, but you'll see it at the end in the pictures. Love how this flower turned out. These tulips are so pretty, and love the fact that I added those other flowers on top because it kind of just looks like the tulips in a garden. It just turned out so pretty. And then I did use the ovals in the inside of the flower so that you can write in the inside of that. And then, as you can tell, I did use the envelopes behind the cards so that I'll have a place to put them in. And then here is that cute box that I love, and like I said, I haven't quite finished it, but you'll see it at the end. And I added that Just a Note on there along with 1 single flower, and it is so pretty. Love how it turned out. Now remember that tomorrow starts the sale at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I will have the code down below along with my design team sisters and Emma's channels. Make sure you get that code so you can get your 15% off your total purchase. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.